If you want to make a lot of money trading crypto or forex, you need to know what we call fundamentals and technical analysis. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use fundamentals, that is the news, to trade. So sometimes when they release NFP or CPI data, you either see the Bitcoin rising or falling. I'm going to help you determine whether the market is going to rise or is going to fall so that you can capitalize on it. At the end of this video, if you have any questions, just comment down below, or you can click the first link in the video description, join the community and text me on WhatsApp. Follow me on Binance feed, Askanda, where I share my daily trades and accurate trading signals for my students so that you can also make money with your smartphone. So I'm going to be showing you how to trade news using cryptocurrency. Before you enter a trade, know that anything that is good for the dollar is bad for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin controls 70% of cryptocurrencies. So if there is a news release and it's good for the dollar, this means that Bitcoin is going to fall. Bitcoin will start reducing in value. If not that instant, but the next coming days, people will stop investing in Bitcoin and they'll start investing in the US dollar. So Bitcoin is digital currency and fiat currencies are the Ghana cedis, the naira, the dollar, the pound, the yen. So any news that is good for the fiat currencies is bad for digital currencies. So today we have a news coming out, initial jobless claims. I'm going to show you how to predict the news, how to trade fundamentals with cryptocurrencies. It works the same way on forex or stocks. So they are just economic events, economic news that happen every single month. They are repetitive, and when they happen, the market tend to behave some way. Maybe in a volatile, it will just behave very fast. So what we want to do is we'll click on economic calendar here. When we go to a website called investing.com, so for me there are two websites you can use to do this. We have investing.com and Forex Factory. For me, I have been using investing.com, and I prefer you also use investing.com. So today this is the news that we have. So this news is currently coming out around 8 o'clock 12 o'clock GMT, that's Ghana time, in the afternoon time. This news will come. So let's click on the news, then I'll explain certain things to you. So what is happening is initial jobless claims measures the number of individuals who filed for unemployment in the past week. So every single month, people lose their jobs. So let's say if in Ghana or in Nigeria, if many people lose their job, that means that the cedi is not doing well, the economy is not doing well. So what happens? The cedi will start to fall in value. Investors will not invest in the country things again. So this is the same thing as trading crypto. If the news release, this is initial jobless claims that I'm explaining. If the actual is more than the previous, then this means that the US dollar is not performing well. But if the previous is more than the actual, this means that the US dollar is performing well. And if the US dollar is performing well, Bitcoin will fall, gold will fall. You guys get me? So this is how you predict the news. And there are just about 11 news that usually happen every single month, and they move the forex market and the crypto market. So now that we know that if this news is released and it's good for the dollar, for me, I would say you should wait when they release the news, like let's say 1 minute before the news, or you can enter after the news, like when they release the news 1 minute, then you enter. The direction that the market will take, it will surely follow it for a very long time, for about 1 week or 2 weeks. So you want to ride and follow the trend. So this is how you trade news using cryptocurrencies. So now that let's say the news came and there is good for the dollar. If you look at this, it's good for the dollar. So if it is good for the dollar, what you want to do is you go to trading view, then you select Bitcoin or the pair that you want to trade. So I usually go for Bitcoin or Ethereum. So I'll select it, then I'll put .p because we are trading perpetual. So you put .p here, then you select. So always add p to the one that you are selecting to make sure we are selecting perpetual. So let's say the news release and it's good for the this in dollar. You can see Bitcoin falling in value. Last week when they released the NFT, Bitcoin dropped from about 28,600 to about 25,400, and currently we are at 25,700 and 600. So if you are a smart person, each time they release the news and it's good for the dollar, Bitcoin will start to fall or depreciate in value. So you go and sell Bitcoin pairs. And if you are also going to trade Forex, you go and sell GBP USD. If it comes and it's good for the dollar, you sell GBP USDT, Euro USDT. So this is how you trade cryptocurrencies using fundamentals. I've just showed you a very simple tactic. You can follow me on Binance feed. Every day I share my trades with some of my followers. So if you also want, you can click the first link, join the Telegram group so I can add you to the VIP membership, and you can also copy and paste to make money. So in this video, this is the simplest way to trade news. I've just shared it to you. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section.